Welcome, guys. Where's Johan? Johan, you in here?
Yeah,
Did you? Where were you? Where are
I'm on. I'm in your map, bro. There you.
you're in my map. Alright, wait. We have to start this properly. Get in here. Where did you go?
Where are you? I'm at the start of this map.
Teleport to Joe. Say where?
My position is 000.
Here you are. Alright, wait. These are the rules. Please read them all.
Okay, let me see.
No,
Welcome. I have fun. The start behind is start button is behind you. Let's
Don't
go.
listen. Bro, you didn't even read
What?
the rules. Or else,
I read the rules. I'm a very fast player.
hello, this is a map made by me. It's going to be a fun map. If you enjoy, have fun. The start button is behind you. You can press it. Bro,
Yeah. Okay.
so today
Okay.
we're going to be playing a troll map for Mr. Jojo. And you gotta set your spawn.
You're
bro.
in creative. You're in creative.
I know. I'm supposed to be watching you. Set your spawn. I'm like the god. Look behind you. See that button? Do you see the button also? Wait, let me go into spectator. Behind you, the
Where am I?
button. Press it.
The black one.
Yes. It will set a spawn point. There we go. See, it worked. Now go. I'm in
I have to go.
Yep. Can you survive? Also, it's kind of raining. Let me just fix that problem.
Bro, you're creative. It's getting harder.
No.
Oh, I fell down. Yeah, I'm kind of a noob, bro.
It's kind of. You don't have to set a spawn point every time.
Oh yeah, bro, that's just the question.
Bro, it's such a easy parkour.
Sorry,
Jump.
I guess it's
Jump.
just network issue or whatever.
Yeah.
I've never got a system.
Jump. Now just a couple of 2-block jump. Nah. You know what? I'm gonna help you out because I feel bad.
I'm pretty bad. I'm pretty bad at parkour, you know.
Yeah, I know he's kind of bad at parkour.
Yeah. Sorry, guys. Sorry if
Alright, get over here. Press the spawn point. You gotta set your spawn behind you. Spawn. It says spawn. To remind you.
Okay.
Up we go. You're going up. Oh, come on.
No, yeah,
Fall.
yeah.
Bro,
Sorry, you for making you the bad guy.
I made this is all made by me, by the way. I am an expert person in making maps. That's why it's such bad quality.
What
Press
about
both of the
what?
buttons. Press both of the buttons.
Survival. Okay.
You need to become in survival.
Press survival.
Done. Now you can
Not
do bucket MLG. Let's see if he does it. Anyways, let's see if he does it again. Jump! Out, bro. And also, there's some water down here. I'll fix that later. How did you get milk?
Don't ask me how I got it.
You're supposed to have
Let's
milk.
get to what? Let's switch it
Can
to
you
what?
flip that
Let's go.
book?
I have to go up now, right?
Yes.
Who is the better YouTuber?
Bro, you didn't set your spawn. Alright.
Yeah.
Who is the better
YouTuber?
YouTuber? Leo Gaming
Leo Gaming.
or Joe Sucks at PvP, aka your channel. Free sponsor, by the way. Free sponsor / collab. Subscribe to this guy as well. I don't know if he made a video. How do you know?
Yeah.
How did you know, bro? Yeah, how did you know?
I'm so smart.
Which one was that?
When did this channel get created, Leo Gaming? 2011 or 2025? I have no idea about this. I fell down like.
Lol. Wait, did you set a spawn? Oh no.
Cut this part out and do it again. Wait.
You can't just cut everything out of the video. Bro!
Wait.
We are totally pros. Set your spawn. Thank you. Alright, continue on.
Yeah. Just cut that part out, okay? Cut it.
Alright.
Yeah. Now, guys, I'm gonna do the next one. I'm pretty sure.
When did this
It was
channel get
created in 2025. I'm sure this guy's channel was created in 2025. There is no way it's not.
Bye bye. Where did he go? He's gone. He died.
Leo.
That would have killed him.
Where did you teleport me?
Your
Yeah.
book. It was actually created in 2011, but I started in 2025. That was a trick question. This channel was created in 2011, guys. I started it in 2025, but so yeah. No, not teleported me. Where is he at? There he is. Guys, this is a very secret.
Yeah. Not
Let's do that.
press. Not press equals press it. I'm gonna press it.
Can you just press it again so I get it to show the people? Press it again.
Yeah, it's glitching. Yeah.
Press it again. For
I
me.
pressed it.
No, it
Did I
didn't,
press it?
didn't go for me. So this is what he was experiencing. Very nice, right, guys? Whee! Oh, it's weird. Yeah, this is very, very, very weird. Whee! Alright. There's a hint. There's a hint, by the way. Bro, stop. There's a hint. There's a hint. Ah! See that?
Down here. There. Okay, fine.
Good luck making it. It's very, very hard. Oh my god, guys, he did it.
Bro. Oh, I can't believe it. I actually did it.
Yeah, I know. That's how you get back up. Did you?
Bro,
Under
this
the
is a troll, right?
platform. No,
Bro,
no.
this is a troll, right?
It's under the platform. Look under. I do not. Now, I'm going to TP you to somewhere. Going to show you the way.
Under the platform, should I break this block or something?
Ta-da!
Wait, what? Sneaky boy.
Just kidding.
Get
It's a
trolled.
joke.
Get
No,
trolled.
just shoot.
But it's another.
Yeah, wait, don't die yet. You gotta die now. Get trolled, but there's another way. You gotta die now. Go back. Now, oh, hello. So now
Yay.
follow me. Din din din. Din 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 din. Din din din. Follow me. Bro,
Where are you?
follow me this way, dad. Follow me to the sign. Wait, he's here. Welcome to the invisible maze. All of it is invisible.
It's pretty easy.
Yes. Now I'm going to have to type in a command.
From this point, there are no walls, so don't follow.
Bro, your username is so hard to type. Boom. Bro,
Oh, yeah, so
why is it raining? It's not supposed to rain. Everything is tested here, by the way. Also, I should probably get a barrier. How do I open my inventory? Oh wait, I'm in spectator. I don't have any inventory. Alright, I'll go in creative for this part again. Alright, now I'm
I don't understand anything.
Look at this maze I've made. It is the invisible maze. Look at this, guys. It's an epic maze. Bro, do you not understand? It's invisible. Oh, he's getting...
From this point, there are no walls, so don't follow.
Yeah, no, but you are not at that point yet. There's a wall here. Follow me. I shall show you the way. I can't fall off now. Follow me.
Yeah, I'm following you. You go.
Welcome. This is so confusing, isn't it? The maze. It's a maze.
Oh, are you just making me go in lines and lines?
No, follow me this way. You know what? I'm going to leave a trail of iron blocks land.
Okay, where am I supposed to keep this?
Oh, I can throw down
Oh, yeah.
from here, but I don't want to do that. Follow the iron blocks. Wait, let me just see. Is this way?
That's 12 more.
Follow the iron blocks. I'm only going to keep them like slightly so that he knows the way.
Oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, yeah.
Does he know the way to the next iron block? I don't know who's older actually. Bro, you gotta follow the iron blocks.
Yeah, I'm following them.
You must follow the iron blocks.
May the fourth be with you. I cannot go there.
I know.
What's the next block?
That's the entire. I am literally helping you throughout the entire maze. Where are you? Do you even know where you are? Go! Go, little
Where's the
one.
answer? Oh yeah, over there.
I'm placing down iron blocks.
Yeah, I am having some trouble.
There are iron blocks coming for assistance. Bro, there's literally like fire. You're going. He's going to the trail of iron blocks.
Yeah.
He's still going. Come on, bro. There's another block over here. Bro, over here. No, go back. Wait. Hey, oh, I thought you were on top of the maze for a second. Look behind you. Is an iron block behind you? There are iron blocks behind you, bro. Look at the other iron blocks.
Yeah.
They shall lead you to your pathway to the final iron block. And from that point onward, gotta go this way.
That way.
I'm putting down a little bit more iron blocks to help you out.
There are no walls.
There are no walls, so you have to press shift. Otherwise, you die. Blocks as well.
Yeah, okay.
It's very
This is
easy
straightforward.
actually. Remember, your goal is to get to those iron blocks over there.
What iron blocks?
Those iron blocks over here.
That thing, that tower?
Yes. No, this one over here. Do not this here. See those over here? You gotta get to them. Oh no.
Is this the correct way?
He's going the correct way. He's going. He's going. He's going. Still going. He's literally so close, but it's not the way. You had to go from here. There we go. He's gonna go back. He's going back. He's on it. He's on the correct way. He's gonna do it.
It's right. It's
Gonna
so
do
good.
it. He did it.
And I win.
Now press it.
Yeah.
Shift and press it. He did it.
Winner's area.
Congratulations.
Ramana.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I broke.
Then bro. Winner's area.
But you are free. Anyways, I think that's
Okay, let's
it.
see. A slide.
Alright, wait. I'm not done yet. I know you wanna see something.
Yeah, I guess that's it.
You wanna see something, Johan? Come here. Press this
Yeah.
lever.
Sure.
And look over there. Look over there and press it. Don't.
Yo, you got
Oh! We are lagging. Oh, we are lagging.
my phone was running at like 2 or 3.
Let's go, Johan.
Bro, is the video was?
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe. What else should we tell them? Hit all the buttons and thanks for watching, everybody. Wait, why is the hole there? I'm not gonna question.
Video.
What?
Is the video.
Oh yeah, right.
The video is over.